Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable camera access for applications on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Security and Privacy tile. And then scroll down again underneath privacy and select privacy controls. And then scroll down again underneath contacts. Make sure camera access just across all apps. If you want to allow camera access, you can turn it on or off right here. However, if you want to do it for specific apps, you can select the permissions manager button. And then you can select the camera app. And then you can go about clicking on any app that you want to allow or deny permission to. And then you can select either allow only when using the app, ask every time it wants permission, or just don't allow or block the permission altogether. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.